Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I hope you're all having a great day so far. I have a fun little project for you guys today. I'm going to be making some holographic stickers using some new products from Teckwrap Craft, my printer, as well as my CRICUT. Teckwrap Craft recently came out with holographic printable sticker paper, so that's what I have here. And then they also came out with holographic laminate sheets to use with the printable sticker paper. So I've been playing around with these products for the past couple of days and it's been a lot of fun, and I got it down now to show you guys a little tutorial of some stickers that you can make using your regular inkjet printer, the Teckwrap Craft holographic sheets, and the topper or the laminate sheets. So let's go ahead and get into the different products here, and then we'll go ahead and get into the tutorial. Now, like I mentioned before, these are meant to be used with an inkjet printer. They all come in an A4 size that you can print out, but what I did was cut these sheets down to 8.5 by 11. But here is the regular holographic sticker sheets. They're very thick and durable, and they're meant to be waterproof. The regular holographic sticker sheets come in 15 pieces, or you get 15 sheets. The assorted holographic, you get 16 sheets, again A4, and you get a really cool assortment of different patterns, all holographic. And then the laminate sheets are actually not printable. So just think of these as like a top coat or like a clear coat, a protective layer. But the cool thing about the laminate sheets is they also have patterns on it. And again, I've been playing around with this a lot in the past couple days, so I have a bunch of scraps that I saved to kind of show you guys some different patterns. But we have like stars, hearts, and let me get these bigger pieces, and then just a really cool assortment of different toppers. Now, you don't have to use the laminate sheet, but it just adds an extra little razzle dazzle, I guess, to your stickers. I will leave my discount code as well as the products used in today's video down below in the description box. All you do is click the more button below this video and it will expand that description box for you. Now let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. All right guys, so I'm in Cricut Design Space. You can see I already have my stickers on the canvas. That's because I actually already have done the project. I printed everything out. But no worries, I'm going to go back and show you guys exactly what I did. So after I've downloaded the files or the stickers that I want to print out to my computer, I'm going to go ahead and press the upload button. Then I'm going to select the stickers that I want to print out, and all of these stickers are from Creative Fabrica. I will leave them linked down below in case you want to make these exact stickers for yourself. Actually, all of the stickers that I'm using in today's video are from Creative Fabrica. I also have a discount code for them as well. You can check it out down below. All right, so I've moved my stickers, my little pile of stickers over, and then I'm going to go to shapes, and I'm just going to choose the square. Up here in the size area of the toolbar, I'm going to unlock it and change the width to 6.75 and the height to 9.25. This is because this is the max printable area that you can use in Cricut for print then cut projects. There is a hack to actually use the whole 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper or sticker paper. But that, again, that's a hack, and I will not be covering that in today's video. So I'm going to go ahead and lock that. I'm going to change the color just to a light color because my sticker offset is white and it's just a little bit easier to see. So now I'm going to select all of my whole sticker pile by dragging over it. I'm going to right click it, and then I'm going to bring to front. And now it's just a matter of playing around with the placement of how and where I want my stickers to look on my sticker sheet. And so that's all I'm doing right here, is kind of playing around with the placement. You can make them as big or small as you want. You can do the same sticker all on one sheet. You can just make the same thing over and over again, or you can do something like this where you just make like a little assortment of stickers. So I'm just going to size this all down because we don't want any overlap. So once I like the, actually I'm going to scoot this one over. Once I like the placement of my sticker sheet, I can go ahead and delete the square. And I'm just going to drag over all of my stickers and then click attach. Now they are all held together in place. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that one. And then once I'm happy, I'm gonna go ahead and click make it. It is print then cut. Make sure it says that right here. You don't want it to say just cut. I'm gonna go ahead and click continue and then send to printer. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off this add bleed switch right here. We don't want that for this, well, I don't want that for this particular type of sticker. That's more for if you're using a sticker where the color goes flush all the way to the edge of where you want it to cut. And again, I don't need that for these stickers, but I am going to go ahead and click the use system dialog. This is going to be my computer and my printer settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click print. Now the system dialog box isn't going to pop up on your screen. It's actually going to be behind everything. And I sat here for like 5 minutes once because I didn't read this after clicking print confirm paper size, and then it says hint, your computer print dialog may appear behind the Design Space app. So if you just minimize it, you'll be able to see it hiding behind Design Space. So now I'm going to go ahead and click media and quality. I have my paper size set to 8.5 by 11. And I'm going to click the photo or glossy paper option, and the quality automatically switches to best depending on what printer you have or your printer settings. It could say something else, but just choose the best quality. A lot of times people will print things or stickers and wonder why there's lines in the stickers. Most of the time it's because the quality is just stuck on normal, because printers are actually designed to try to save as much ink as possible. So that's why you'll see some lines in your printables or your stickers. It's most likely because you haven't changed the settings or you are running out of ink. So that's just a little tip. So once I change the settings, I'm going to go ahead and click print. After my stickers have been printed out on my printer, I'm going to go to step 2. I'm going to click browse all materials to change the cut settings. And then I'm going to search for transparency. And then click done. And then I'm going to change the pressure to more. And then I'm going to load my mat into my CRICUT. Now I'm just going to take my printed sticker sheet and put it on a light grip cutting mat, and I could just cut them out like this and they would still be super cute, but I decided I wanted to use a laminate sheet on top, so I chose the holographic laminate sheet with the hearts on it. And I went ahead and cut this out with my paper trimmer because I don't want to cover the registration marks, which are those like L shapes in the corners. That's what the CRICUT uses to align everything and make sure it's like cutting correctly. And right here, I'm just creating a like little hinge by folding up about 1/2 inch of the backing up and creating a crease. And I find it easiest to do this like facing towards you or upside down. You really want to take your time with this step because once that laminate sheet is down, if you try to pull it back up, it's going to ruin your stickers. It's going to crinkle up. So just really take your time. So as you can see here, I'm just starting with about a 1/2 inch of the the laminate sheet, and I'm just going to use a squeegee with like a soft padding on it because I really don't want to scratch these, and I'm just going to move a little bit at a time, kind of the same way you would apply contact paper or shelf liner. You just really want to make sure that you're going slow and you're not getting huge bubbles or wrinkles. Again, because if you go too fast and you do make a mistake, you can't go back and fix it. So I just really took my time with this step. Now I'm just going to load it into my CRICUT, and it does take a little bit longer than like a normal cut in a CRICUT because the machine is going to read those registration marks and scan everything before it actually starts cutting. And my CRICUT cut my stickers exactly where it was supposed to. If you notice that your stickers or your cuts are off, it's most likely one of two reasons. One, you covered up the registration marks on accident, or two, your machine just needs to be calibrated, and you can do that in CRICUT Design Space. So now I'm just going to take out my stickers, and I just use like my fingers to kind of go around the edges and punch them out. And any like sticker residue that gets left behind or like the bottom sheet, I just kind of go back and clean that up with my fingers, and then I just remove the stickers from the cut mat. And here is what the stickers look like in normal lighting. I'm actually sitting in the shade for this clip. And then here's what the stickers look like when you add a little bit of sunlight or they catch the light. Just so pretty, and that top clear coat or the laminate sheet just really makes them extra special and extra sparkly and fun. For the second set of stickers, I'm going to click the upload button again. And this time my stickers are already attached together. They're already formatted in place. So I'm just going to go ahead and click add to canvas. This is the way they were downloaded from Creative Fabrica. This is a file that was in the little pack that I got. Again, I will go ahead and leave the link to these stickers down below in the description box if you want to make these exact stickers yourself. The only difference with this set of stickers is that it's too large. I need to shrink it down to fit in the printable area for using print then cut. And you can see over in the layers panel this red exclamation point, and it actually says that it's too large. And you can just click the auto resize image and it will automatically size it down for you. So now I'm going to go ahead and click make it. I'm going to click continue. Again, send to printer, take off the bleed, use system dialog, print. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and select media and quality and select my settings and then print. Once my stickers have printed out, I'm going to go ahead and go to step 2 again, browse all materials, select transparency. And then change the pressure to more. And just like the first print, the second print for the black stickers turned out beautifully. And so I'm just going to place it on my light grip cut mat. And I'm actually going to show you guys in this clip how I measured, I guess, and cut out the laminate film that I put on top of the stickers. This one I chose like this confetti style, I guess, laminate sheet. And I just placed it next to the sticker sheet, and then I just took a pen and marked where I wanted to cut, both length and widthwise. And just as before, when applying the laminate sheet, I just made sure to make a hinge by folding back about 1/2 inch of the backing and creating a crease. and then flipping over the cut mat to face towards me or upside down, and then just working slowly with my squeegee to apply the laminate sheet. Then I just place the mat into my machine, cut it out, and then removed the stickers from the cut mat. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials and other videos from me. Also, make sure to check out the description box for product and file links used in today's tutorial. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time.